के मकी अस्सलाम ए सब गुंबद के मकी
अस्सलामुअलैकुम यस औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. Today I am describing the special remedy of coconut. People's doing this remedy and getting more benefits to remove illness and other problems. So coconut, if you are doing coconut, coconut is why we are using the coconut in our remedies. Coconut is the natural water possessor. Peoples who are facing problems from jealousy, from evil eye, in our Islamic knowledges, Sayyidina Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, evil eye affects more and more. And jealousy is also affects. Jealousy is also a fire. Anyone who wants to remove this negativity, then take a coconut. Coconut will be whole, not in pieces. Whole coconut. With their threads, water must be here. Jealousy and evil eye is like fire. And we have to remove the fire effects from water. And here is water. In inner side is coconut is water. If anyone who grip a coconut and doing their religious names of God according to different religions, there are different names of God. In our Islamic knowledges, there are two ayats. One ayat is popular. وَإِنْ يَكَادُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَيُزْلِقُونَكَ بِأَبْصَارِهِمْ لَمَّا سَمِعُوا الذِّكْرَ وَيَقُولُونَ إِنَّهُ لَمَجْنُونٌ. Spell on this, on a coconut, and then take from head to bottom, from head to bottom of any person who is ill, who is facing any problems, he know or he does not know, he will do this coconut remedy and use according to the knowledge, spiritual knowledges. It can be throw in canal, water canal, throw in well, or in especially in fire also. But this is for the treatment of evil eye. Mostly it is throw in water canal. But sometimes, according to spirituality, it is throw in fire. If you are not selecting, you cannot understand the where we have to do this remedy. Then you can ask me on WhatsApp number, and you have to tell your name and your mother's name, date of birth. Then I can tell you that this coconut remedy you can do in fire or in water. So thank you. You will be get benefit from this my remedy, and yeah, and this is the evil eye is fire, and we have to uh, use remedy of water here. Khuda Hafiz.